Want to create Google Meet link? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to search Google Meet. Now, go ahead and click on the website meet.google.com. Now, make sure to log in with your Google account. Here you have the option of new meeting. You have three options here. You can select the first one, create a meeting for later. Once you click on this, you will have your meeting link. Go ahead and click on this icon to copy it. Now you can share this link to whoever you want and it will directly take you to the meeting. Next option is select start an instant meeting. Now your meeting will be started over here. Once the meeting starts, you will get your meeting link. Go ahead and click on the Add Others option, or you can click on this icon to copy the meeting link. Now, if you paste it, it will direct you to the meeting. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.